Osmo Nano, footage playback and transfer. Storage space. The camera has built-in storage and also supports expanding storage by installing a microSD card in the multifunctional Vision dock. It is recommended to use a UHSI Speed Grade 3 rating microSD card. Enter the control center to check the storage information. With a microSD card inserted, the footage in the camera's internal storage can be exported to the microSD card. Tap Storage to format internal storage or the microSD card. Playback. In the live view of the camera, tap the playback icon to preview the last captured photo or video. Tap the corresponding icon to mark the footage as a favorite or to delete the footage. Swipe up and down on the screen to view the photos and videos. Tap the icon in the top left to enter the grid preview page. Swipe the edge of the screen from right to left to go back to the live view. Transferring files. Attach the camera to the Vision dock with the lens facing forward. Swipe down from the top of the screen, and then swipe left. Tap Export to SD card to export the footage from the camera to the microSD card in the Vision dock. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the mobile device, and then run the DJI Mimo app. Tap the camera icon on the home screen, and then click Connect on the corresponding device name. Once the camera is connected to the app, tap the album icon to preview photos and videos. Tap the download icon to download photos and videos. Multiple photos and videos can be downloaded to the mobile device at the same time. The app also supports editing and post-processing of footage. And the edited clips can be exported as the final video. You can also transfer photos and videos by cables. Attach the camera to the Vision dock with the lens facing forward. Use the provided cable to connect the mobile device. When connected, view and transfer photos and videos via the device album or file management. Attach the camera to the Vision dock with the lens facing forward. And use the provided cable to connect the camera to a computer. Once connected, a pop-up will appear on the touchscreen. Select a file transfer option based on the storage location and download files to the computer.